Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for clicking on the Thursday Afternoon Weather Webcast for March 12th, 2015. I'm meteorologist Nate Harrington. Another unsettled day here in the Wiregrass. We've seen some showers form, not as many as yesterday, and in not the same fashion as yesterday. The pattern just a little bit different. We'll discuss that coming up in a few seconds here. Let's talk about temperatures and what we had early this morning. Numbers started off in the middle and low 60s and even some upper 50s with dense fog out there once again. If you saw some heavy rain in your area yesterday, you saw the fog around to start your Thursday. So let's talk about the rain and the cloud cover. Plenty of clouds streaming in from the south. An area of low pressure and lots of clouds now streaming in. These are mid-level and high clouds that are blocking some of that sun, so temperatures not quite as warm as they were yesterday. There you see the light rain right now. No thunderstorms for us in the Wiregrass just yet, but I think that will change by later on tonight. So you see temperatures at the 2 o'clock hour in the middle 70s and some low 80s. 80 in Troy, 81 Andalusia, 82 Abbeville, 81 Blakely, 84 Donaldsonville. It's 68 in Destin. Southerly flow off the Gulf of Mexico waters that are running around 62 to 63 degrees is the reason why folks along the coast are just a little bit cooler than everybody else, and of course with lots and lots of cloud cover. There you see the local radar. We've got the Fort Rucker and also Eglin Air Force Base radars going right now, only finding some showers north of Tallahassee, moving into south central Georgia, and also have some showers down closer to the coast that are about to move on shore, also in northwest Florida and southwest Alabama and Covington County, just north of Crestview. We see some showers near Opp, just north of Florala, and we'll zoom into Covington County and near Dale. Not Dale, but Coffee and Geneva County. There you see some of those showers a little bit close up. No thunder with these, so that's some good news. Yesterday we saw some pretty strong thunderstorms roll through with lots of heavy rainfall. Dothan Airport picked up over 2.5 inches of rain. I think we could see a few more thunderstorms as the flow basically in two separate directions. Off to the west, it's more of a southwesterly flow, and off to the east, we've got kind of like a mini sea breeze or an easterly flow working off the Atlantic, and that is where our rain is going to come from primarily around here. This is the HRRR model, the HRR. This is the High Resolution Rapid Refresh model. This shows us a rainfall rate about every hour, and you can see by 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock we have some steady showers in the Wiregrass. I think this might be a little early in the rainfall. I don't expect our rain to get going until right around the dinner time hour, but when we do see some rain, I think it could be heavy at times with some thunderstorms around. The severe weather threat will go by the boards as we head through the evening time hour, so don't expect a severe weather threat with any of these storms. We could see some strong winds, but below that severe criteria. There you see along the Gulf Coast, the showers down to the south and the area of low pressure and warm front that is now lifted to the north. So we're basically in a warm sector of air. This will provide enough instability to get those showers forming here relatively soon. If we can get a little bit of sunshine to poke through, that destabilization will occur a little bit faster, and we'll get some thunderstorms to pop up. But we do have kind of a complex setup. To the east, there's a backdoor front. Now, watch future temperatures. Off to our north, it gets rather cool for early tomorrow morning. I think tomorrow we stay in the low and middle 60s. Watch what futurecast temperatures do to our high numbers tomorrow. We stay in the middle 70s. This is along my line of thinking. Some different computer models and the National Weather Service think we could probably stay in the upper 60s, close to 70 degrees tomorrow. I don't think that's going to happen, but I guess we'll just wait and find out. I would expect temperatures to be in the low and middle 70s tomorrow, with the middle 70s being the warmest of the air, and some spots to the north will stay in the upper 60s with lots of clouds. The rainfall chances tomorrow are going to be more along the just plain rain side, maybe a few isolated thunderstorms, but looking now like most of the rain chances we see on Friday, which aren't going to be that great, it's just going to be main rain. And then another cold front moves through. That area of low pressure that we looked at in the Gulf of Mexico moves to the northeast, drags a cold front through on Saturday. We'll see some showers during the afternoon time, but then starting to taper off at night. And for Sunday, that should be a dry second half of the weekend. So kind of a complex setup for us. We'll see how it all unfolds. Just have the umbrella handy. You're going to need it over the next couple of days. If you have any questions for the Afternoon Weather Webcast, please leave those at the social media sites below. We'll see you back here on Friday.